to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a colorful recipe. This is a recipe for sugar cookies with mini M&Ms in it. So let's get started. First of all, our ingredients. We need 2.5 cups or 310 grams of flour, half a teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 1/4 cup or 250 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 1 1/2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1 cup or 200 grams of mini M&Ms or regular M&Ms if mini are not available. We start off by creaming the butter. Cream in the sugar. Beat in the eggs, salt, and baking soda. Add vanilla. Add flour. Scrape the bowl with a rubber spatula. Fold in about 3/4 of the M&Ms. Spoon onto a lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Remove from oven. Add a few M&Ms onto the hot cookies to make them prettier. These cookies are soft and chewy and super colorful. I love how they taste and my kids loved them. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.